Hi, good evening. Welcome to Artimimi Wonderland. April is coming. Let's having some fun. Today we're gonna make a mini basket, and you can prepare some air clean with the color you like. Today we're gonna mix with one purple, yellow, and a little bit black, and a tiny bunny on the top. So let's get started. You can take a little bit air clean to clean any dust, maybe on your hands and on your table. First, we're gonna roll a mini ball. I'm gonna do a little bit bigger because it's showing inside of the camera, and yeah, stretching your clean. Yeah, you can using the tool to help you, so avoid the fingerprint crack and air bubble. So just take examine the bowl. So I put here, gonna make two little ones, a little bit bigger. In the future, we can also, I'm gonna get the clean measurement, that one, so it's gonna be more accurate. Roll until it got nothing scratch or crack. So yeah, two purple color, one yellow. It's a little bit smaller. The second step is we're gonna press this one first. Yeah, press one by one. It's not really that flat, just flip it and then adjust it. You guessed it right, we are making a fake macaron base. And we can pretending press some lace around with some dots. How this called? Frame? It depends. yeah, it's a time consuming process. And this is our bottle. We're gonna put this one in the middle. And then finish this one on the top. The same process. It's right there. Yeah. The foundation is right there. We're also gonna add some decor. After that, we're gonna prepare one mini bowl, white color or some color you like, with 4 little dough. We're gonna roll it into what that called? Yeah, it's called the water drop, like a water drop. Making the bunnies, the mini bunnies, ear and the leg, pretending. You can put it on your hand or on your sheet. This body neck too fat. It's gonna be a giant bunny now. See down here. From? You know what? Actually, we only need a little bit for these bunny's eyes. So get some black. Haha, finally we can add some blush or some other decor you like. Get some blush. I'm using another one. You? Yeah, you can freestyle now. Gonna decor some P-roll. It's already a little bit dry, huh? It also can depend on you. You can using the top coat and the UV light. You put inside the UV light and to get it protected, so it's gonna not that easy to get any more dust if you put it somewhere. Yeah, if you're interested with this kind of cute little decor, you can request a DIY kit from us, or you can make it at home. After you're watching the tutorials, we're gonna keep sharing more, or we also can make it for you. So you can get it like those. So you can request the size, and we can put inside the. We will stick it, and you can. It's a hanging decor, or you also can put it at home, or yeah, decor whatever you like. Please subscribe my channel, and see you guys next time. Hope you enjoying that.